If you are looking for how to insert Lira Pound sign in Word, then keep watching. You need to click on the insert on the top menu bar, and on the right side click on the symbol and click on the more symbols. In the font section you need to select normal text, and in the subsect you need to select currency symbols. And now find it, and here it is, Lira symbol. Select it, click insert and close, and here it is. Go to the home, increase the size, make it middle, and here it is. Another way is that type 20A4 and press Alt X Alt together, and here it is. You can easily insert Lira Pound sign in MS Word. If you think this video is helpful, please support my channel. Thanks for watching.